Hello everyone. Today we'll start with the English subject, chapter number 1, a lesson in kindness. Now, in this I had explained you the lesson you have done with the question and answers. Now we will come to the page number 6, grammar part. In this, match the words to make sentence. One is done for the you. Now the dog yelps. This example they have solved. The second one you have, and that is a baby. Now what a baby does? A baby cries. A towel dries. A snake hisses. This way you have to write, you have to do matching. Now we'll come to the question number 2. Whichever the rest of the examples are there, I'll send you the pic. You have to read it, and with a meaningful word you have to do matching. Like a teacher, what it does? It teaches. Cricketer hits. A footballer that kicks. I'll send you the pic with the answers. Come to the question number 2. Which of these qualities do you think are desirable? Which of them are undesirable? Put them in a right group. Now over here they had given us two groups, desirable qualities and undesirable qualities. Which are that? Desirable qualities and undesirable qualities. Now in this, first will come true. How you should be? You should always talk true. Undesirable, that will come false. You should be kind. You should not be rude. Polite. While talking, how should you talk? In polite way. Or in a cruel way. Cruel way means the way that boy had behaved with the dog. That was cruel behavior. Loving. How you should be? Loving. You should not be harsh. Gentle. Proud. Gentle means you have to be very nice to everyone. Proud, you know the word meaning of proud? When we don't share anything, we think that we are something special. We don't mix up. That way, we should be not proud of ourselves. Honest. How you should be? Honest. You should not be selfish. Selfish means you should never think of just yourself. Rest we have helpful. We should be helpful to everyone. Or greedy. In the other column it will come greedy. Regular. How you should be? You should come to school regular, or you should be careless. Friendly. How you should be? Friendly. Indesirable, it will come friendly. Whatever orally I have explained you, I will send you the pics also. Now come to the page number 7. Here we have some words with ending with ly, like softly, gently, slowly, regularly. Now sentences are given, and in the column answers are given. Eat your food slowly. What will come? How you have to eat your food? Slowly. You should work honestly. How you should do your work? Honestly. Our soldiers fight bravely. How our soldiers fight for us? Bravely. Boys were shouting loudly. Boys were shouting loudly. Fifth we have the birds were singing happily. What they are doing? Singing. That means they are happy. Happily. He answered the questions correctly. He answered the questions correctly. Orally now I have explained you. I'll send you the pic. Grammar in use. Write the following sentences as questions. Now sentence are been given. You have to make questions from that. Did the little dog yelped in pain? Sentence is given. You have to write in questions. Now how you will write? Did the little dog yelp in the pain? First example, how they have given? They have shown with the answer on page number 7. Did the little dog yelp in a pain? Question mark. Whenever sentence is given, we have full stop, and as the question is asked, we have to add question mark. Now, Mr. Roy walked back into his house. Second question we have, Mr. Roy walked back into his house. This sentence they have given, and we have to make question. Did Mr. Roy walk back into his house? In this now, walked, ed was there, and we have written walk in question. Did Mr. Roy walk back in his house? Question mark. Third we have, the boy showed his sandwich to the boy. Now, showed, ed is there. How you will make the question? Did the boy show his sandwich to the dog? He gave the boy hard blow with his stick. Gave is again a past tense. What you will use? Give. Did he give a boy a hard blow with his stick? Question mark. The boy had a big bag hanging from his shoulder. Now, had is again past tense. So how you will write? Did the boy have a bag hanging from his shoulder? And question mark. I'll write you the answers and I'll send you the pics of it. Now rewrite the sentence as shown. How cruel the boy was. And they had given exclamatory sign. So how you will write? The boy was very cruel, and you have to give full stop. Simple sentence it will be. How tall that girl was. How you will write? That girl was very tall, and full stop. Exclamatory mark is given. Sentence have given in a wrong way, and you have to correct them. These mangoes are very sweet. How sweet these mangoes are. How you will write? These mangoes are very sweet, and you will add just full stop. Over here they had given exclamatory sign. You don't have to put that. While ending the sentence, we put full stop over there. Third question we have, rewrite each sentence using a short form of underlined words. Now what you have to do, in this they have given a word and we have to write the short form it. I am tired but I am not hungry. First example they had given, I am tired but I am not hungry. Now for I am, how they have written? Short form of I am. How they have written? I am. I'll send you the pic of all the shortcuts that first you have to write in your notebook so that you can solve easily this exercise. Now come to the page number 9. The teacher will say some words with consonants blending CL or CR. Listen carefully, identify the pictures, color the pictures red with the begin with CL, that means cl, and crow, CR, crow. Clock, crocodile. First picture we have clock, that means CL, cl, crocodile, crow, crayon, CR, again, crown, CR, cloud, cl, CL, crackers, CR, cricketer, CR. We have a joker face over here. Clown, again CL, cloth, CL. You have to color the picture with the beginning of the CL word with red color. And blue with a CR. What you have to do, the word starting with CL spelling, that you have to color with red, and CR, word starting with CR, that you have to color with blue.